Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to pair your Alexa device to Bluetooth without the need for the Alexa app. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, these steps will help you use your Alexa device as a Bluetooth speaker in no time. So let's get started. First things first, we need to put your Alexa device into pairing mode. You can do this by simply saying, "Alexa, pair." Alexa will respond, letting you know that it's searching for a device to pair with. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use voice commands, or if your Alexa device is in a noisy environment, you can manually activate pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button on your device. Output. Next, grab the device you want to pair with Alexa, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer, and go to the Bluetooth settings. On most devices, you'll find this in the settings menu under Bluetooth or Connections. Once you're in your Bluetooth settings, you'll see a list of available devices to connect to. Look for your Alexa device by name. If you're not sure what your Alexa device is called, you can usually find its name at the bottom of the device itself. It might be something like Echo Dot, followed by some numbers, or just Echo. When you see your Alexa device's name, tap on it to establish the connection. Your device will confirm once the pairing is successful, and Alexa will tell you that it's connected.